So welcome back. We are doing over the wire. In today's level we are going to solve bandit level 17 and 18. In the previous video we had found a private key. So let's continue from where we left. We'll do SSH dash I 17 private key. We'll say bandit 17 at the rate. We'll copy this from here. We'll specify the port. Let's press enter. We are connected. Let's clear the screen. There are two files in the home directory, passwords old and password new. The password for the next level is in passwords new and is the only line that has been changed between passwords old and password new. So these are the commands. We'll do ls. We have two files, password new and password old. So if we do def and h, this is how we can use the def command. We have to specify the option. We have to specify the files, and I think we don't have to use any options from here. Let's clear the screen. So we'll do def password old password new. So this is the only line that we got which was changed. So this would be the password for level 18. So we'll disconnect the server. We'll copy this first. So we'll press enter. I'll press Ctrl Shift V and we are connected. The password for the next level is stored in the file readme in the home directory. Unfortunately, someone has modified the .br bash rc to log you out when you log in with SSH. So there is a trick. You can use -t for the sudo terminal, and we'll say /bin /h. We'll get connected. We'll put the password. So we are connected. We'll say ls. We'll cat the readme file, and we got the password for the level 19. So we'll clear the screen. We'll connect by using bandit 19, and we no longer require -t. We'll put the password here. Ctrl Shift V for the password. We'll clear the screen, and we are doing level 19 to 20. To gain access to the next level, you should use the setuid binary in the home directory. Execute it without arguments to find out how to use it. The password for this level can be found in the usual place, that is etc bandit pass, after you have used the setuid binary. So basically this is the path where the passwords for the each particular level is been stored, and the password can be accessed if you have permissions. For example, what we are doing, as we are bandit 19, so we can do cat /etc bandit pass, and we'll say bandit 19. So we get the password for bandit 19. But similarly, if we do for 20, we don't have permission for that. We'll do ls. We have a file which can be used to execute, and it has bandit. So if we do, so if you want to execute some command as bandit 20, you can do as bandit 20 do. You can do as cat, and you can copy this from here. You can paste it, and we got the password for bandit 20. So thank you for watching.